Next we have find conjugate class of each element of Q4. Okay, so let's just write Q4. Q4 has element plus minus 1, plus minus iota, plus minus j, plus minus k, such that we know that I square equals to j square, k square equals to minus 1. And other properties like if I j minus ji equals to k. Next we have jk equals to minus kj equals to I. Then we have ki equals to minus ik equals to j. Basically we are having it as this direction of I, j and k. This is the direction. Okay, so first we will find the class of A. Class of 1. Class of 1, we have x inverse Ax for x belongs to Q4. So we know that like x inverse into 1 into x for x belongs to Q4, it will be equals to 1 only. Okay. Similarly for minus 1. For minus 1 we have class of minus 1 will consist of x belongs to Q4. Clearly this is also equals to minus 1. Okay, so here we have got the things like class of 1 equals to 1, class of minus 1 equals to minus 1, and we clearly know that 1 and minus 1 belongs to z of Q4. So we can directly write it as like class of 1 equals to 1, class of minus 1 equals to minus 1, because 1 and minus 1 belongs to center of the group Q4. Okay, next we have to find class of I. Class of I consists of the elements x inverse I into x for x belongs to Q4, and this will give us only I or minus I. Yes, what we have, like if we are having j, k or whatever we have, from the definition we have it I into my j minus j into my I. Okay, so if it is in the clockwise direction we will get positive, if it is in the opposite direction then we will get minus of I. That is why the only possibilities for this are this. Okay, and this is equals to class of minus I also. Similarly, class of j will contain x inverse jx for x belongs to Q4, and it will again consist of j and minus j. Okay, that is equals to again class of minus j. Similarly, you can find class of k, that is equals to x inverse kx for x belongs to Q4, that is nothing but equals to k minus k, that is equals to class of minus k. So overall we got the values of classes of the elements. First one is class of 1 equals to 1, class of minus 1 equals to minus 1, class of I, class of minus I equals to this, class of j minus j equals to this, and class of k, class of minus k equals to this. Okay, so in last video when we were finding the conjugate class of D4, we got the class equation, and now we are going to write class equation for Q4. So basically class equation is like summation of order of class of A, where A belongs to here Q4 equals to order of Q4. So since let me just write, no, there is no need to write it again, we can just get it from here. Class of 1 equals to 1, this implies this order of class of 1 equals to 1, plus class of minus 1 equals to minus 1, so order of class of minus 1 is 1. Then class of I is class of I and minus I is I and minus I, that is equals to 2. Class of j, class of minus j equals to j minus j, that is equals to 2. And similarly for class of k and minus k, 2, that is equals to order of Q4 is 8. So this is the class equation of Q4. Clearly 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 8. So this is true. Okay, next we will find the conjugate classes of S3.